I'm Morgan Mansfield, Fastening Product Manager with ABB. Today I'm going to show you how to use our ERG50 installation tool with our color cable ties. You will notice the ERG50 cable tie installation tool has an ergonomic design that fits perfect into the hand. The tie wraps have a turned up tail that helps the end user with picking up the cable tie. To install, loop your cable tie so the head is facing away from you and insert the tail into the head. For this demo, we will set the position to 7 since the TY25M is a 50-pound cable tie. Next, place the body and the tail of the cable tie into the rotating nose of the ERG50 till flush with the cable tie head. From there, squeeze the trigger for perfect tension and the tool will cut and secure the cut-off portion of the cable tie to discard. If you would like to learn more about these products, please reach out to your local ABB installation product sales rep.